been having low interaction on my Instagram page from vendors. So I don't know why that is. I don't, and you know, it's not their job to come check me out. But anyway, so I decided one evening the next vendor that comments on any one of my posts is going to get an order. And so that's what happened. I actually broke the seal on this, but I haven't really looked through the box. All right, so what do we have here? This is Beau Grime Baby. So let's see what's in here. First of all, what is this? Oh, so good! It's a little toy robot doggy. That's adorable. Thank you. All right, so what do we have here? Oh, look at this. This, I can't remember the name of it, but this is one of their Valentine's Day bath bombs. Is there an invoice in here? Nope. I can't even tell you what it is, but it's beautiful and it's Valentine-y. And so that's what that one looks like. What else do we have in here? We have a lot of little like foam-like things, whether they're stickers or not, I don't even know. They might be stickers. I think they are stickers. My granddaughters will love those. They're everywhere. Oh, it's candy. It's candy, y'all. What else is in here? Oh, the card. Beau Grime Baby. Thank you for your order. And this is her information. What's this? Look, it's a little skateboard. It's a little Valentine skateboard. How cute. All right. Then we have, I like that she puts the cardboard behind them to protect her bath bomb. Toxic Queen. This is a lot cuter than I thought it would be. Very pretty and shimmery. Oh, this one actually has the information on the back. Toxic Queen bath bomb, citrus passion mix. What else do we have? Oh, this one's kind of crumbly. Oh no. This was going to make a nice little demo, but it wasn't why I ordered, so I'll just hold it together. All right, this one is called Emily's Last Love, and it's a love spell. And as you can see, it was going to be super cute. And hopefully I can hold it together. What else do we have? I hope nothing else is broken. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at this bath bomb. This is called Witch's Blood Moon in Citronella. Look at the shimmer on it. Beautiful. Is that it? Oh no. There's various things in here. Cry Baby. Shimmery. Look how cute it is. And yes, it's called Cryberry. Magastana Lavender Bath Bomb. And Boba Bath Bomb and Strawberry. I do love me some strawberry. And so as soon as I saw strawberry, I just chose it. Cute. I think that is all besides, I think there's one more here. Oh yeah. This one is called Good Morning Baby. It's a cotton candy bath bomb. It's so cute. Adorable. So that's what we have. Let me see what other toys we have in here. A bunch of little stickers still floating around in here. Too cute. All right, so we had the Boba Bath Bomb and Strawberry. We have the Good Morning Baby Bath Bomb. We have the Witch's Blood Moon. We have, oh, it's pouring everywhere. There's a hole there, so the crumbs keep coming out. This is called Emily's Last Love. This one, I don't know. This one is Toxic Queen. Beauteous. And then the last one was Crybaby. All right, guys, that's it from Beau Grime Baby. And thank you for commenting on my post, which is what got you the order. I'm trying to keep my interaction up on Instagram. So that's what I'm going to start doing now. When I get some interaction from a vendor, I might decide I'm placing an order. Let me just add this in here.
Right.
So I saw this doggy and I was about to end my video, but I pressed this button and how cute is that? All right, guys, that's it for Beau, Grime, Baby, and I will talk to you guys on the next one.